In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Kling AI Gmail link. If you previously connected Kling AI to your Google account to sign in or to let it read your Gmail, and you no longer want that connection in place, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove the link safely. Start in any web browser by opening Google. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. You can verify that by looking at the profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the Google homepage. Click that profile icon. A small menu opens with details about the account you're currently using. In that menu, choose Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, where all your privacy, security, and connection settings live. On the account page, look for the section labeled Third-Party Apps and Services. Depending on your layout, you might see it on the main overview or under a tab like Data and Privacy. This area lists any non-Google services that you've allowed to access parts of your Google data or to use Google Sign-In. Find and select Kling AI on that list. The app name may appear as Kling AI or Klingai. Either way, you're opening the page that summarizes what access it currently has. Here you'll typically see what data was shared, such as basic profile info and, if you granted it, Gmail access. Reviewing this screen is helpful so you're clear on what will change when you disconnect. Choose the option that says Delete all connections you have with Klingai. This action revokes its permissions and breaks the sign-in link. It does not delete your Google account or your Gmail, and it does not cancel any Kling AI subscriptions you may have elsewhere. It simply removes this Google connection. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read it, then click Confirm to finalize. If Google asks you to re-authenticate, that's normal. It's just an extra security check. Once confirmed, the connection is removed. You'll know it worked when Kling AI no longer appears in your third-party apps and services list. If you ever need Kling AI again, you can reconnect later and choose exactly what to share. That's it. You've successfully deleted the Kling AI Gmail link. Keeping this list tidy is a great habit for account hygiene. Periodically review what has access and remove anything you no longer use.